Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the compressor accessible and safe. Disconnect the battery and put on gloves and eye protection. Recover the refrigerant with a certified recovery machine, otherwise you risk legal and environmental harm. Once done, lift the car and remove the serpentine belt, then unbolt any brackets or intake parts blocking access. You're now at the compressor. Inspect mounting bolts and electrical connectors. This early effort saves time and prevents damage, so make sure to follow each step deliberately before unbolting the compressor. You need to determine failure mode. Test clutch engagement by energizing the circuit, spin the pulley to feel roughness, and inspect for oil stains that show leaks. If the clutch or bearing is faulty, remove electrical connectors and refrigerant lines after proper evacuation. Label parts so reassembly is error-free. Drain PAG oil into a clean container for measurement and disposal. Then unbolt the compressor from its bracket, keeping bolt order and torque values in mind. Because correct reinstallation prevents misalignment, you install the replacement compressor, swapping O-rings, and adding the exact PAG oil volume the manufacturer specifies. This preserves lubrication and prevents clutch failure. Once tightened, vacuum the system to about 29 Hg for at least 30 minutes to remove moisture and check for hold. Then use soap or an electronic detector to find leaks. Recharge to the factory refrigerant charge, run the engine, and verify high/low pressures and outlet temperature under load. If cooling is weak, recheck charge and electrical connections as your primary troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.